Page 26. The letter H. A. Listen and repeat. Hello, I'm a happy horse.
H. H. This is the H sound. This is the letter H. 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 Happy horse.
H. H. Happy horse.
What's the beginning sound?
H.
What letter is this?
H.
Page 26. B. Listen, point, and repeat. 1.
Horse. Horse.
Horse. Horse.
2.
Hat. Hat.
Hat. Hat.
3.
House. House.
House. House.
4.
Hot dog. Hot dog.
Hot dog. Hot dog.
Page 27. D. Listen and write. Then match. 1.
Hat. Hat.
2.
Goat. Goat.
3.
House. House.
4.
Elbow. Elbow.
5.
Hot dog. Hot dog.
6.
Horse. Horse.
Page 27. E. Listen and chant.
Hat. H. H. Hat. Hat. H. H. Hat. House. H. H. House. House. H. H. House. Hot dog. H. H. Hot dog. Hot dog. H. H. Hot dog. Horse. H. H. Horse. Horse. H. H. Horse. Hat. House. Hot dog. 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 Horse. It is a hat. It is a house. It is a hat. It is a house. It is a hot dog. It is a horse. It is a hot dog. It is a horse.